Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day, and most of us are busy working hard, moving forward, so we think, to try to find happiness, with the belief that happiness is someday in the future, when this happens, or when I get that, or when this thing leaves my life. What we want to say is that happiness is a feeling. And the only time to ever be happy is right now. Because in the future, it will be now. 5 years ago, today was the future. What do you have now in your life that you were desperate for then? Or what are you free of that you so wanted to release back then? Well, now's the time. Now is to be happy. So we want to give you a recipe for a happy day that we can do every day if we choose to. Recipe for a happy day. Number 1 is fun. How few of us have the first thing in our day be the most fun? How about starting tomorrow or today? You can start the day right now. How about starting the day with choosing the most fun thing you can think of? No matter what else is on your plate, to choosing the thing that would be the most fun for you to experience. And then feel the joy and happiness of the fun. Number 2, get the old niggling thing off of your plate. You know that one. You know that one thing that's been niggling at the back of your mind. I gotta do that thing, I gotta do that thing, I gotta do that thing. Everybody's got at least one of those, and maybe many of those things. Take the worst one. Take the one that you think is the most difficult, and at least put some time and attention on that one niggling thing. Just get rid of it. And then 3, that's the next thing in our recipe. Celebrate! Yay! I did that thing! I did that thing! I did that thing that's been bothering me for months, weeks, who knows, sometimes even years. I did that thing. Aha! We've got another one here in our recipe for a happy day. 4, decide. Make a decision. Some of us are like frozen in this decision about something that has to do with the future. The future isn't real. The time is now. So take that thing off of your plate that you've been wanting to decide about the future. Should I stay married to him? Should I divorce him? Well, do you want to do that today? Be very present. We want to have a recipe for a happy day. All right? Number 5, accept and dream. So what does that mean? That means accept. Accept everything, even my boys' play. Come on, guys. Accept what is. Accept what is and dream. Dream of what could be better. Dream of what could be better. And allow yourself a few moments to dream at some time today. And allow the happiness of the future dream to fill you with love and joy. So that's our recipe. Have a happy day, everybody.